Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you clicked on this video, then you're here to see me create some Pinterest and Instagram outfit ideas. Now, if you're looking at this video, you may notice things may be a little bit different than what you're used to seeing. I usually sit and show you all my clothes, but today we're gonna stand and I have my clothing rack filled with at least 6 or so outfits that I think are complete replicas of these outfits that I have picked out from Pinterest and Instagram. I had some of my friends send me some of their favorite Pinterest ideas, and on top of that, if you know me, you know I'm always on Pinterest, whether it's looking at apartment ideas or on top of that, looking at just recipes, stuff for me to cook, just trying new stuff. So Pinterest is one of my favorite apps, so I figured, why not try out this trend that's happening on YouTube right now? Also on top of that, if you're not already, please follow me on Pinterest. First off, let's start with an Instagram influencer who I love her style. She goes by the name of Owen, or I believe I'm saying her name right. It's O-A-H-N. She's one of my favorite Instagram influencers to follow, get trendy outfit ideas from. She's on Pinterest a lot too on top of that. So I saw this picture on Pinterest and Instagram and I felt that I could easily recreate it because it's just one basic color layout and like same color skirt, same color bottom. So I figured I don't have that color skirt or bottom, but I do have a skirt and a top that are like, you know, the same color. So I figured let's do white and try it out. So what I have right here is this white skirt that I got from Princess Polly. If you've seen my summer 2020 haul, you saw that I got this. And then on top of that, I have this other pretty little thing top that's about a creamish color. They go together in my opinion though, and I got this from spring haul when I did Pretty Little Thing in Fashion Nova. So I said, what she's wearing is basically like a button up and it's cropped, and that's exactly what this is. And then on top of that, she has a skirt on as well. I don't have a white belt buckle, but I think it'll still be able to look how she does. So let's try this one out.
We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stand.
So here is the first outfit. She didn't have any shoes on in the photo, so I'm not really sure which shoes she wore, but she took 2 colors, the same top, same skirt. So that's what I did. These are kind of the same color, white skirt, cream top. I tried to tuck mine in to make it as cropped as hers, so hopefully it doesn't look too weird. But this is my attempt for outfit number 1. All right, and the next outfit we're gonna try is this one that I saw on Pinterest, I believe. Actually, no, I'm lying. I saw this on Instagram. It was on the Hello Molly account, which is a shopping brand. I haven't necessarily shopped from there yet, but they do post like a lot of trendy looking photos that makes me want to buy their clothes. But you know, it's out of my budget right now. So what she was wearing was basically a white cardigan with a nice patterned dress on, and it had a slit in it. I necessarily don't have that same pattern, but I do have a white like shirt that could go like a cardigan, and I have a patterned dress that's leopard that I think is going to be really cute. So I figured, let's see how that looks. I think this will be a really nice replica of what she wore. I got this in my try-on haul from when I was gonna go to Puerto Rico, and this is just a top that I got from Misguided. I wore it in my Air Jordan video. So we're gonna try and put this together, and I think this will be a pretty good replica of the outfit she wore. Like I said, I don't have all the same items that everybody in these pictures or Pinterest posts do, but I do like to use it as inspiration. So I think this is a real good example of how that would be applied. So let's see how this looks.
Start your computations.
So here is the second outfit. Like I said, I don't have the same print dress as her. I have this leopard one. In her picture, she had on forces with socks that are this size. So I have that part. And I just paired it like this. This is definitely some real New Yorker type stuff that I could definitely see people wearing, but it's cute. All right, now on to the third outfit. Now the third outfit I had to get super creative and ghetto with. So what she wears is like a bandeau top type thing with a really cute print. I wish I knew where she got that top from. And it looks like she's wearing jeans, but it could be shorts. I don't personally care for the way the bottom part was looking for, so I really just wanted to freestyle that part and throw any type of bottoms with it, and I just chose to do shorts. But the top, I had to get this top from the beauty supply store. And as I'm looking at it, it's very see-through, so I'm really hoping I can finesse it to make it a bandeau top. I know this is what people normally used to do anyway, like before they, you know, took our ideas and started making the bandeau tops with these type of prints on it. I know girls was just doing it by themselves, so we're going to see how this works. I'm a little cautiously optimistic, to be quite honest, but I think it'll work. So let's see.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait.
So here's this outfit. This came out really nice. Like, this shirt came out, well, shirt, do-rag, scarf, whatever you want to call it. It came out super great. All I did was fold it up a bit and tie it, but this is great. This is super cute. How confident am I wearing this outside? Not necessarily sure. I think I could. Actually, I could probably get away with wearing this outside. This is cute.
Space.
Alright, now on to the fourth one, and this one has been sitting in my Pinterest box just for a while. Like, I really love this outfit, but I felt like I could never do it because I never had a pair of Air 1 Jordans until April. If you saw my Air Jordan video, that was my first pair of the Air 1 Jordans 1, which are so hard to get even now, but I finally was able to recreate that look. I don't necessarily have Levi's that are like straight legs like that. My only Levi's that I have are more so skinny jeans, but I do have a pair of jeans that are similar to that color. They don't fit me so well around the waist, so I have to do that jean hack, which I'll show you in the try on portion of it. And then the top was just a basic white top. I don't necessarily have that same style, but it's a white top, and the way she was, you know, standing, like, it doesn't necessarily matter. So I feel like I completely nailed this one. And then the glasses, I got me a pair of glasses that will work, so you'll see. Let me just show you up close what I put together. It was basically these jeans. I got these jeans from Crybaby, and obviously, you know, got the wrong size, but still a really solid pair of jeans. I just have to go to the place and get them altered. And then I got this top from Forever 21. Like I said, if you saw my last summer clothing haul, you saw me try it on. So yeah, I'm gonna put these two together and make it do what it do. So here's the outfit, and my jeans look hopefully not too awkward. I did that jean hack that I saw on Twitter because I didn't want to wear a belt because the girl didn't wear a belt, and it doesn't really look too bad unless I point it out. But this is the outfit, and I'm wearing these J's. This is the closest jeans that I have to straight legs. Those aren't really my go-to, so this is how this looks. I mean, compared to the picture, I think this is pretty hands-on considering I planned this last minute, but I like this. And the next outfit that we're going to tackle is probably one of the most basic outfits out of this whole entire set, but basics are in. Like, they're the easiest style to do, and they're trendy. They look cute, you know. So what you'll see here is this girl. She's basically, you know, sitting down in front of a mirror. She has biker shorts on. From the looks of it, they seem like they're a charcoal color, not necessarily black, but I only have black on me. And then on top of that, she's wearing a oversized gray sweatshirt with some type of print on it. Don't have that same sweatshirt, but I do have a gray one that I got from Pretty Little Thing that says California on it. No, I'm not from California, but I am from the West Coast, so I think it'll be cute. But the only thing I don't have, I have the Nike socks, but I don't have those shoes. I'm kind of debating if I ever want to get those. They're cute and trendy right now, but they kind of remind me of something that an old person would wear, especially like back in the early 2000s. But this is what I have here. Like I said, the California sweater, and it says West Coast, so that was one of the main things that drew me in. And on top of that, I just have some regular biker shorts that I got from Garage like 2 years ago, I think. So we're gonna test this out, see how it works. I think this is probably the easiest style that I think anybody can knock out, but it was so cute, and this was one of the looks that my friend sent to me. So yeah, we're gonna test this out.
Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars.
So this is the other outfit. Like I said, super basic but super easy to do. And I'm wearing Fila's because I don't have those shoes, but I'm wearing my Nike and I'm actually starting to feel a certain type of way. Like, it kind of reminds me of when you wear Adidas and Nike together. I don't know. Might just be me right now. Yeah, super simple. And to show that I think this looks just like the photo, I'm going to do that same pose. So the way she posed was butterfly style, and she had her shirt pulled down a bit like this. Pretty sure this is it. All right, and sadly we are at the last outfit. This outfit is one that my friend sent me. Shout out to Nisha. She sent me this outfit. I thought it was super cute. So what you'll see on the picture is you'll see a girl. She seems to have bootcut jeans on and some type of cropped, you know, somewhat baggy graphic t-shirt on with some sunglasses. And I was like, oh, that's really cute. And I actually have bootcut jeans that I got from Fashion Nova, and I have this. I didn't have that same top or a graphic top that was cropped that looked like that, but I do have an Adidas one that I thought would be cute. And in the picture you can't really see what shoes she's wearing, but if I was wearing this outfit I would probably wear just some really cute high heels, and I'll show you that in the try on portion how I wear it. But this was a really simple one to do, and it was also something realistic that I would actually wear if I was going to go out somewhere, like whether it be brunch or maybe like a nighttime thing or something. I feel like this can be worn in both places. So shout out to my friend for sending me this one, and let's see how this looks. Okay, so this is the outfit. I realize this doesn't have pockets, but I'm wearing the heels like I said I would with these, and as you can see it's still, you know, hitting the floor, but that's how it was for her in the picture as well. I think this is a pretty good replica of what she did, minus the shirt, and the jeans are just slightly a different shade. I think this is pretty much the same outfit. All right, y'all, thank you for going through this journey with me to tackle all these Pinterest and Instagram outfit ideas. It was super fun. I love putting together outfits, and it was really a challenge to see what I have in my closet compared to what's in the photo. So really just tackling all that into one. Not only if you like this video, please comment down below which outfit you liked the most. I'd really like to know, and I think it'd be just super cool to get everybody else's input. As usual, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.